Hey guys, Peter here. Today I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of mastering drone tech with day and night vision. Ever thought about creating your own drone that can capture stunning footage day or night right here in the US? Let's break it down. First up, know the rules. The FAA has some pretty specific guidelines under Part 107 for commercial drones. Make sure you're clear on certification requirements, especially for controlled airspace. Next, define what you want from your drone. Is it for photography, surveillance, maybe agriculture? Outline the specs like flight endurance and camera quality. Now onto research and design. Choose materials like carbon fiber or aluminum for a durable, lightweight frame. For daylight, you'll need a high-resolution RGB camera. For night vision, decide between image intensifiers or thermal imaging. Component selection is key. Pick a reliable flight controller, efficient batteries, and secure communication systems. Then build your prototype, making sure everything's balanced for stable flight. Don't forget software development. Equip your drone with autonomous navigation and real-time image processing. Extensive testing is a must day and night. Once you're satisfied, go through the certification process with the FAA. Prepare all your technical documentation. Finally, plan your production, marketing, and customer support. Remember, stay updated on tech advancements and gather user feedback. By following these steps, you'll have a top-notch drone ready for the US skies. Happy flying!